In this video, you'll learn how to transfer Google Workspace ownership in just a few minutes, so you can pass admin control to another user securely and smoothly. First, open your browser and go to admin.google.com. Sign in with your current Google Workspace Super Administrator account. Make sure you're logged in with full admin privileges, since only super admins can transfer ownership in Google Workspace. Next, in the admin console, click on Users to view the list of all users in your organization. Find the person you want to transfer ownership to. They must already be an active user with a valid account. Now, click on the user's name to open their profile. Scroll down to the Admin Roles and Privileges section and click Assign Roles. Select Super Admin from the list of available roles to grant them full control. After that, confirm the role assignment. The new super admin will instantly receive the same level of permissions as you, including managing users, billing, and overall settings inside the Google Workspace admin console. Once the new admin is set, you can remove your own super admin privileges if needed. Open your own profile, go to Admin Roles, and remove the super admin role to complete the ownership transfer fully. And that's it. Your Google Workspace ownership is now transferred and your account is securely handed off.